This Akshardham inspires people to become the best version of themselves. My name's Pankaj. I'm from Robbinsville, New Jersey. Currently, I'm a student at Rutgers. I have heard many stories, countless stories of people saying that they've felt peace, they've felt a sense of happiness that they don't feel in the outside world. And I eventually started doing the seva and I enjoyed it. I felt at peace. I felt that happiness that everyone was talking about. I'm motivated by the factor that I see the impact that this Akshardham makes into the community. You see the peace and the happiness that it brings to the community around us, and it brings peace and happiness within. It's unbelievable that people from all over the United States have come here just for this one project. Just being around these people, I've noticed that they become your family members. I feel like this is truly my home.